This is a little Ottawa. I put my backup battery, guys.
Oh, maple syrup. Colorful wildlife.
So we are in Little Ottawa.
There's a park down there. Colorful wildlife.
Little Ottawa. So now we are in Parliament Building. Oh. I'll take picture, please. Take picture, please. Oh, take. Why so many? I need to pose it. Yes, we are now in Ottawa. I'm touring you guys for every places. This is Parliament Building. This is so cool. Oh. There's Canada Day. They're celebrating the Canada Day. Mahal, are you enjoying your eyes? It's for your eyes only. So you have to make your eyes alert.
Mom, there's a new Amazing Race Canada season. Just saying. I thought Aqua. Yeah, there is. Oh, do you guys like it? Yeah, do you like it? I have not watched it. So. We've watched it. We've watched one of the days. And they go to different parts of Canada. Yeah, and they do like they do crazy stuff.
So this is the Radio Canal. That one.
Slime. Like a special food for the movie. A certain amount of time, or they have to find something.
Or they have to like dive in ice cold water.
Yeah. So it's challenges, but it's not. That's crazy.
This is during nighttime in Ottawa. This is the Radio Canal. This is the Parliament Building. Look at this one. This is so huge. This is like actual.
What is it?
Railway hotels, that's the excursion. They don't have that. Celebrities, they don't have but like they made this one into a ballroom with a slide.
Oh, this is the children room.
All kinds of different stuff in there.
Okay. And these are these are the special values. You get a whole.
Oh my god,
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the Tolly Fort. Wow, there's a fireworks there, guys. Fireworks. Canada Day. Victoria Day. Civic holiday. You're watching live fireworks. Oneng, fireworks. So this is during nighttime in Ottawa, guys. National Gallery of Canada. There's emergency, guys, but no one is moving. They're still investigating. So this Ottawa. This is the Radio Canal. It's daytime already. So, and this is the famous five. Guys, this is at the back of the so this is Ottawa River. Ottawa River. So this is guys. That's the river, the bridge. This is the behind the Parliament building is Ottawa River. They call all the famous five. You see this one? There's a ship, there's a boat, and this is the Rideau Canal. It look like you already in Ottawa. This is the actual. This is the Ottawa River. The settlement on the Ottawa River date back 6,500 years. Oh. Big building. And this is welcome to Quebec. Now we are in Quebec. Canoe, just across the Ottawa River is the welcome to Quebec, guys.
Can I cross it off? Now we just
So this is all. This is the balloon festival, guys. Every Labor Day weekend, giant balloons of all shapes and sizes are launched at the Gaetano Hot Air Balloon Festival. Little known. So guys, this is and a half cup. That is so cool, guys. You are look like in the park. Very circle. There's also you can hear the screaming. And use the Ferris wheel. And that's just the hot balloon.